What's up, y'all? JC again. It's been a while since we did a Mark II related video, but this one's been in development for a while. I wanted to make, bases for carbon fiber mirrors from APR. So what I did was I just grabbed this from Dan Monroe. Shoutouts to Dan for giving me a spare side mirror. I cut the mirror off and had Metals Plus. Shouts to Metals Plus. You just cut out the same shape out of like lightweight aluminum. This is super light compared to say this, right? And the holes match up with the holes in the back of this piece. So ideally this would go on the car, and these two holes are for the bases of the APR mirror, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But so here we go. One for each side. Now the next step is to have both of them sandblasted and powder coated and flat black. But yeah, this is the first set. We'll see what happens when we get it back from powder coat. All right, guys, so here they are back from powder coat. Shots to Flash Fire Coatings in Curtis for hooking us up with that. I went with a textured wrinkled finish. It's kind of like semi-gloss, I guess. Looks pretty good. And also, we got the APR Performance Formula GT3 carbon fiber mirrors. This box, boxed up like this with the mirrors and the mounts in it, actually weighs 2 pounds. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mock up one side, right, on the base here that we made, and we're gonna weigh it. And what I'm gonna do as well is take out a stock mirror and weigh that and see the difference in weight. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's the mirror, carbon fiber. APR makes like top-notch stuff. It's gonna go on like that. I guess this is like the raw side, so I guess we'll use this side. Yeah, it's gonna go on like that. Let me go ahead and mock this up and see you guys what it ends up looking like. Yo, I don't know about y'all, but I think that's gonna look so sick. From the front though, it's gonna look like, damn. All right, so we got it zeroed in at grams. Let's weigh this one. Comes out to 695.8. Now let's weigh the carbon fiber setup. 218. So that's 218 per side. This side was what? 696. So you guys do the math. That's over a third of weight savings. $218.3 for the carbon fiber setup. Holy. All right, we got our hardware here from CCS Industrials. Let's go ahead and mock these mirrors up. All right, here it is, all mounted up. I wish I could say it's perfect. Obviously, you can see the lines could be better. Doesn't fit like snug because this bottom part could be, I don't know, like trimmed to sink down. But hey, for a one-of-one part, it's pretty damn good. And it's, yeah, you can see it like rise up here, but it's not like an eyesore or anything. And when I'm in the car, yeah, right angle looks real nice. Yeah, all in all, I like it. Passenger side, same thing, looking real good. I have to clean this spot up with some, like, I don't know, back to black or whatever, but so far, so good. Yo. Jeez. It looks damn good, man. believe I have them on. Looks sick. Look at that. Oh, it's a nice shot. So that's it, guys. You can see both mirrors there. I got those when I reached 185. When I hit 175, I'm gonna go for a carbon fiber rear spoiler. So watch out for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna put this new Tectonics Tuning stiffer rear mount. I think it's a 50 durometer one, and it comes with like this, you know, stronger bracket from them. So there's that. Then I'm also gonna throw like new front suspension on and get that dialed in, more front camber, and in a month from now I'll do like a brake upgrade as well. If you get to it this year, I'll do electric power steering as well, but we'll see what happens. Until next time, peace.